Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, today Nifty and Bank Nifty both have formed an Indician candle. I'll just show you that. You can just check it out here. This is a Bank Nifty candle. It's a Indician, and Nifty as well has formed an Indician candle. Here in Nifty, if you see, I have marked the high and low of today's candle. This will be a very important level for tomorrow. The reason of marking this, let me tell you. You can see here, in case price retraces down and we see any bearish candle closing in daily time frame, we can see a downfall. You can see previously what has happened. Whenever price has entered this particular level, we have seen a downfall, and again from this level we had seen a downfall. So in case we see a close below today's low, we can expect a downfall in Nifty. And let me mark what are the levels I'm looking for on the downside targets. This will be somewhere around 14,250, and the next level will be very important, that is 50 moving average, which can act as a support. This is a 50 moving average what I'm talking about. It can act as a support. And for tomorrow, in case we see any close on the upside, or in case price sustains above this high, then we can expect some good momentum on the upside again. This is a simple analysis what I have for Nifty, and remember, you can trade the intraday strategy also what I had shared few days back. I'll share the link in the description box. You can just check it out. Any break above this level, and if price sustains, we can use this strategy. And make sure you trail your stop loss once you're in profit, and you take a trade. Make sure you have a stop loss in your system. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. Guys, you can see here in Bank Nifty also I have marked today's high and low, which will be very important. And if you see properly, I have drawn a resistance trend line, which is going to be very important. You can see the line what I have drawn. I have used log chart. I have drawn this line, and today prices exactly retraced almost near that level and bounced back again. So for tomorrow also, this high and low will be very important. In case we see price sustaining above today's high, we will see upward momentum. Take it as 300 to 500 points upward momentum. And on the downside, once it breaks this low, today's candle low, it will also be a resistance trend line which is acting as a support. Any close below this in daily time frame, we can expect prices again to move down. The first important thing is it will probably cover the gap. There's a gap somewhere here, a small gap which will be filled. And in case price sustains below that, we can expect this resistance to come in, which was previously a resistance. Now it will turn as a support. This is the level I'm looking at on the downside, right? For this as well, you can use the intraday strategy what I had shared. The link is in the description box. You can just check it out and go through the entire video of that strategy so that you'll understand how beautiful and how easy it is to use. Now talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty plans for tomorrow, guys, in case tomorrow price doesn't break the high and low, we also have a trade plan for that. Let me explain you that. You can see here prices have retraced from R1 zone, and for tomorrow this S1 zone is going to be a key level. The reason is we had seen previously a fall from this level on 2nd February, and today as well price gapped up and it sustained this level, and then there was a quick fall on the downside, but later the prices got rejected from this lower level. It broke today's high and started moving up. So tomorrow, in case price comes down this S1 level, we'll have to be alert. The reason is this S1 zone is important, and other important thing is this 50 moving average which may come near S1 zone. So in case price sustains at this level and bounce back, we can expect prices to move to again R1 zone, which will be a very important level, and close above today's high. We can expect 14,940, 14,980 and 15,020 levels to come in on the upside. Every time it moves 30 to 40 points, make sure you trade your stops. And on the downside, in case price breaks this S1 zone, price has to breach S1 zone and also this 50 moving average. Once it breaches that, we can expect prices again to move to S2 zone, S3 zone and S4 zone. This is what I'm expecting in Nifty. And in case it reverses from any of this zone, if you're good at understanding candlestick patterns, you can just take a reversal trade. I'll try to take a session on candlestick patterns very soon, live on YouTube. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get the regular updates. Now let's go and see what our plans will be for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you can see here I've drawn the trend line, which is a key level, and tomorrow there are good chances prices can enter S1 zone. And S1 zone in this 50 moving average, again on 15 minutes time frame, will be coming nearby. In case it bounces from this S1 zone and 50 moving average, we can expect prices move again to R1 zone and close about today's high. You can maintain 100 points target. I'm expecting almost above this level 300 to 500 points momentum. And in case we see any close below this 50 moving average and S1 zone, we can expect prices again to move down. From S1, we can expect S2 zone. From S2, we can expect S3 zone. All these zones will be updated in the description box. I've made a list of the zones you can see here. I'll update everything in the description box. You can draw the same zones on your system and see how beautifully prices work. Now, what is the reason I'm telling S1 zone is important here? Again, the same thing you can see here. Previously, we had seen a rejection also in Bank Nifty. And today as well, it was a gap up and it was a rejection. Once it broke this zone, it started moving up, though the momentum was not so big. But for tomorrow, in case it breaks today's high, we can see some good momentum on upside, and today's low will be a key level for a downfall in Bank Nifty. Guys, this is the simple analysis what I have in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In case you liked this video, please give a like. Any doubts, drop your comments. I'll try to solve that. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends so that maximum people can be benefited. That's all for today. Let's see again tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs. I'll see you again tomorrow evening. Have a good night.